we are gonna have some fun.
Okay.
Okay? So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say stuff in Creole
Creole.
or Patwah, as we say in Jamaica.
Better than Jamaica.
And I want you to repeat after me. And I'm also gonna repeat it in English. And then you're gonna translate to Jamaican, Patwah, Creole. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Yes. So, you ready, sir?
Yeah, ready?
Okay, drum roll. Okay. First question would be, or the first statement.
First question.
What is your name? In Jamaica, we say, where your name?
One name.
Yes, you repeat after me. Say, where your name?
One name.
Where?
Your name.
Yes. Repeat. Where
Where?
your name?
One name.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, my name dear.
Yeah, your name is Mr. Handsome Guy.
Yeah,
So you can repeat and say, my name Handsome Guy.
my name Hampton.
Where your name, sir?
My name Ta.
You should repeat after me. Where your name, sir?
My name Ta.
My name Handsome Guy.
My name Hampton.
All right. Where you come from?
Where you come from?
In English, you say, where you from? In Patwah, you say, where you come from?
Where you come from? I come from.
Can I say? I come from my yard, man.
Then I come from the
Okay. In English, you say, what's up? What's going on?
What about going on?
In Creole, you say, wagwan.
What? In the wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. That is what I said.
I say, where I deal with?
What did it?
Okay. So let's move along. In the morning, you say good morning, right?
Yeah.
In Creole, you say, morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, day. Good morning.
Yes.
Oh, I know.
Okay. And like good night.
Good night. Why good night?
I'm going to sleep. Good night. You can say, me I got my bed.
I'm going to this.
You can say me.
Me, I'm going to bed.
No. Me I got my bed.
Me, I'm going to bed. Me,
I got
got
me
me,
bed.
me, bed.
Me I got my bed. In Jamaican Creole, say me I got my bed.
And in Jamaica, you're going to bed. And in Jamaica, they call good morning.
No, you say morning, sir.
In the morning, I say morning, sir.
Yes.
I like to drink coconut
You
water.
like to drink. Okay.
Water.
In English, you say, I like to drink coconut water, right?
Yeah, in English, I like to drink coconut water. That's why you like to drink beer.
Yes. But in Creole, you say, me love coconut water.
I like coconut water.
No?
Man.
You say, me love coconut water.
I like coconut water.
Or you can say, what do you say? I'm hungry.
I say I'm hungry.
You can say, me hungry.
I'm hungry. I need a cookie, man.
No, I say, me want some food.
I want some food.
Me want food.
Me, I want food.
All right. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Well, I'm going to brush teacher.
No, in English, I say, where are you going? In Creole, I say, where I go.
Let's go.
Yeah, I say, where I go.
Let's go. Why that?
Or you can say, what's over there?
What over there?
Yes. What did they say? Can you repeat after me?
Yes.
What did they say?
What theater?
What did they say?
What theater?
Okay. Move along. Next question. Things you need to repeat in Jamaican. Let's see now.
Team.
Next thing I want you to say is, hey boy.
Hey, but I'm going to the bank behind my chair,
Say, hey boy.
Hey, but I'm going to behind my chair, man.
Or you can say, don't do that.
I'm going to
In
do
Creole, say,
that.
no do that, man. No, you said no do that.
In Creole, I say don't do that.
No, in English you say don't do that. In Creole you say no do that.
In Creole, I say don't do that.
No, no do that. Repeat after me. No,
No,
do that. Yes,
Don't
no, do that.
Don't
Yeah.
jump.
Okay, let's move along. Let's see now. This is mine.
This one.
In English you say this is mine, right?
This is where I go.
No, you can eat it. I don't want it to eat. You can eat it. In Creole you say this a for me.
I think
Or you can say a for me this year. Repeat. A for me this year.
I think it's
Like swallow first, then you talk. Don't talk with the food in your mouth. A sipper. Spirit for the host.
Don't come. Don't do.
Real Jamaican.
Don't go to jail.
Yes.
Okay.
See. Ironman. Ironman.
Mom.
Alright. One love man.
What up, Mom?
Cool no aya.
Kuna alam.
What you mean, star?
Hamin twa.
John woman.
No, Mom.
Hey youth, what you feel like?
Ayo, that pila.
Hey boy, move from here some man.
I've been opinion, man.
Yo, where you go?
So I will go.
Where you go, man?
Go, man.
Hey girl, you look nice, you know.
Go back to jail to the banana gun.
Yo, forward, man.
What follow?
Hey, you can't be eating and talking at the same time. Drink some water. Drink some water. See, back to regular scheduled program. Are you finished eating, sir? Huh?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Your mouth still seems full to me. Okay, let's continue. No, do not open that one. No, you had one already. You're not supposed to eat so much junk food. Okay, let's put this aside. Good? Good, sir?
No, good.
Copy?
No, copy.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yes.
So no bag, no grab.
No copper grab.
No bag, no grab.
No grab, no grab.
No. No bag,
No bag.
no grab.
No bag, no grab.
Yes, no bag, no grab.
No bag, no grab.
Alright, so cool no aya. Yo.
Kura aya.
Yes, me dan.
Dia menita.
Cool me lion.
Kura yang.
Yeah, man. Boy, today's a good day, aya.
That is a good day aya bungkan.
Yeah, man. Today's a good day. Yeah, man.
Then tell you how is the weather.
The weather? The sun hot, you know.
Don't hot. The sun hot today.
Me say the sun hot, me say, man. Repeat after me. The sun hot, man.
The sun hot, man.
Yeah, man. John Winston. Sun hot, man.
Sun hot, man.
Yes, aya.
I want to turn the cup properly. Turn the cup.
Alright, let's turn it properly.
Yeah, turn it properly. I did.
Yeah, man. But when I touch my alcohol, still no aya.
Turn it. Yeah, that hear me, man.
I turn theme buckle or I want turn theme buckle.
Come, man, dear man.
And I man turn my glass. Oh, I want turn my glass. You see me? And the big bad quota farm they done saying, out of many one people. Yes. So you see, Aya, right now, I am gonna show my son the heritage where the Aya spring from. I youth them have to come grow up and know say, yeah, the Aya roots come from a strong place in a Jamaica. Well firm and grounded. Which month you born?
Give me the book.
Wait, which month you born?
In Jamaica, man.
No, man, you're born in Jamaica, man. Which month you born, youth? Which month are you born? Which month were you born? You don't know when you're born? Which month were you born? When is your birthday?
March.
March. So now that if you say aya, you can say me born in March aya. Repeat after me now aya. Say me born in March.
Yeah, man.
You can ride bicycle, sir. If you say me I learn.
Yeah, man, I learn.
Learn to ride the bicycle.
And I learned to ride the bicycle.
No, it's a me.
I know to learn the bicycle.
No, me I learn.
You can learn.
Yeah, I not fully govern the thing yet, but I soon govern the thing as times go by, not true? Alright, you hear me? Oh, you not say bye bye, man. You say little more.
Then you come on.
Yes, man, little more higher. Bye now. Tune in next time.
Do it next time.
We are out.